We're going to explain how to fast forward in the Citra Emulator. There are a few different ways to do this, depending on what you're trying to accomplish and which version of Citra you are using. 1. Using the built-in speed controls. Citra has a built-in speed control feature. You'll find it usually in the emulation menu, often represented by a speed icon, like a tortoise or hare. Clicking this will open a menu where you can adjust the speed. Usually options like 2x, 4x, or even 16x speed will be available. You can simply select the desired speed multiplier to increase the game's speed significantly. Experiment to find a speed that's smooth and avoid skipping too many frames or causing glitches. 2. Using the keyboard shortcuts, if available. Some versions of Citra allow you to use keyboard shortcuts for speed control. Often these might be the AND keys or other combinations to increase and decrease the speed. Check Citra's settings or key binding options to see if keyboard shortcuts are enabled for speed adjustments and what those shortcuts are. 3. Consider the game's internal speed settings. Some games have their own internal settings to adjust game speed. Look for options within the game's menu that might say speed, game speed, or similar. These internal settings might allow you to fast forward or slow down gameplay independently of Citra's controls. 4. Troubleshooting slow speeds. If fast forwarding doesn't work or is too choppy, the problem might be your computer's hardware. Citra's performance depends on your CPU and GPU. A weak system might struggle to handle higher speed multipliers, resulting in lag or stuttering. Try reducing the speed multiplier or adjusting Citra's graphics settings, lowering resolution or disabling effects to improve performance. 5. Specific versions of Citra may have variations. The exact location of speed controls might vary slightly across Citra versions. If you can't find the speed controls we're described above, check Citra's settings menu, look for an emulation section, or simply search for speed within the settings to find these options. Always refer to the official Citra documentation or online support resources if you are having difficulty. Remember to save your game regularly, especially when using fast forward, as unexpected glitches can sometimes occur.